One common struggle that a lot of affiliates have to deal with on a constant basis is not the technical side on how to build a funnel, how to set up their autoresponder, or how to integrate everything, or even posting a video on social media. It's actually having the right mindset. I know a lot of people tend to skip over mindset when it comes to earning online or business in general because they think it's a bunch of mumbo jumbo. But if you're not in the right mindset, it's going to be really hard for you to have success in your business. If you've ever had that thought in your head saying, I can't do this or I don't know what I'm doing, trust me, you're not alone. I used to have the same thoughts all the time and it made me feel like an imposter and I was just lost in my business. And it felt really frustrating because I had no sense of direction. Until I found a mentor that not only gave me a proven strategy that works, but gave me a daily plan of action so I know exactly what I should be doing in my business every day to move it forward. And to be honest, if I didn't find a mentor that gave me those tools that I needed in order to find success with affiliate marketing, I probably would have gave up a long time ago. Now, if you're someone who's watching this and you need help getting results with affiliate marketing and you want to avoid the same struggles that I had to go through, all you have to do is follow me and also leave a comment.